Good morning, Brian. All right, here is your trencher card. Testing and adjustment have gone well. Everything's looking good down inside. Nice and dry. Very happy with it. All right, well, let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay. Try it again. No lip, no leak, no run, no error. There. All right, let's look at some numbers. Now let's pull it through the top. No stumble. Now we'll look at some numbers. Idle RPM 700, looking good. 12. Oh man, maybe it's time for new points. Okay. Yeah. And we look at fuel pressure. It's about 3.75, 3.75. Vacuum is at 19 and a little bit of change. Looking pretty good there. All right, my friend. Tell me what you think. Bye.